Welcome, Arkansas contractors. Are you ready to take on bigger projects and grow your business? Getting your general contractor's license is essential for operating legally and unlocking new opportunities in the state. I'm Roselle with Contractors Liability, and today I'll walk you through the steps to get licensed and set your business up for success. So stick around. This could be a game changer for your business. In Arkansas, contractors licensing is regulated by the Arkansas Contractors Licensing Board. If your projects exceed $2,000, you will need a license. This applies to all types of work, from residential and commercial construction to specialty trades like plumbing and electrical. So let's break down the process real quick. The first step is choosing the right license classification for your work. Arkansas offers licensing for residential builders, commercial builders, and various specialty contractors. Each classification determines the type of and scope of projects you're authorized to handle, so it's crucial to select the one that fits your specific business needs. Next, you'll need to meet the application requirements. This includes providing proof of experience and submitting a completed application to the Arkansas Contractors Licensing Board. Now, depending on your classification, you may also need to pass a trade and business law exam to demonstrate your knowledge of construction practices and state regulations. But don't worry, the board provides resources to help you prepare for these exams. Now, let's talk about financial responsibility. Arkansas requires contractors to show financial stability by providing a financial statement. If your net worth is below a certain threshold, you may need to secure a surety bond to prove you can fulfill contractual obligations. Additionally, proof of general liability insurance is mandatory, and it helps to protect your business and your clients from unforeseen damages or injuries on the job to third parties. Here's an example of an insurance certificate you will need. This document not only meets with state requirements, but also helps build trust with your clients, showing them that you're prepared and professional. It's a key part of positioning your business for success. Once your application is complete and all supporting documents are ready, submit everything to the Arkansas Contractors Licensing Board for review. After approval, you'll receive your licensing, enabling you to operate legally and confidently across the state. Remember, licensing in Arkansas must be renewed annually. Staying compliant is essential to keeping your business running smoothly and taking on bigger projects. Now, if you're ready to apply or need help with your insurance, click the link in the description to get a free quote in just a few minutes. For a more detailed breakdown of the licensing process, check out our full blog linked below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more contractors tips, and leave any questions you have in the comments. Thanks for watching, and good luck with building your success in Arkansas.